Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoyed the slideshow, and this is what the model looks like right now. So I have basically completed all the the building phase of this project. Everything is put together, or the sub-modules have been assembled, and apart from, I would say, very minor issue with a couple of seams over here. Apart from that, the fit has been excellent, and but I was able to solve those with some sprue goo or liquid sprue, as I call it. This stuff, it's basically leftover sprue tree that is cut down into some Tamiya extra thin glue, and then you use it to fix seams or parts that need to where you want to join plastic in a good way. And the only thing with this that is worth mentioning is that or the thing that is important is that you let it cure for I would say at least a couple of days, so it's the seam is completely hard before you start sanding it. But after that it's like working on the regular styrene. It's very easy to get rid of seams and to polish the surface and make everything look good. So okay. I have also completed building of all the ordnance and all the other small parts in the kit, and I have primed this with UMP primer. So that is ready for starting to painting. And so speaking of painting, I have decided to use this camo scheme. It's from the Belarusian Air Force. So and the black and white picture doesn't really give the right impression of what it will look like, and instead I will show you a couple of pictures of what the aircrafts look in the Belarusian camo scheme. So welcome back. Hope you liked the pictures. The next step will be, of course, to mask this up and prepare the aircraft for painting. and that is probably what the next episode will be all about. And until then, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later. Goodbye.